Want to start your own business but don't have a lot of cash to invest? The good news is, you can launch a product-based small business with minimal startup costs and no need for social media fame. In today's episode, we're diving into 15 smart, low-cost product ideas you can build and sell from home or online. 1. Print on demand. Design mugs, t-shirts, tote bags, or notebooks and upload them to platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. When someone orders, it's printed and shipped automatically. No inventory. No risk. 2. Dropshipping store. Launch an e-commerce site using Shopify and connect it to dropshipping suppliers. Sell trending or niche items without ever holding stock. Focus on product research and customer service. 3. Handmade crafts. Got a knack for candles, soaps, jewelry, or knitted goods? Sell them on Etsy or at local markets. Materials are often inexpensive, and you can start small, creating items to order. 4. Subscription boxes. Curate themed boxes, like snacks, stationery, or eco-products. Buy in small bulk, box them yourself, and charge monthly. Use a simple website or marketplace to start taking orders. 5. Digital product sales. Create and sell templates, planners, budget spreadsheets, or ebooks. These products cost nothing to reproduce and can be sold 24/7 on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. 6. Sticker packs. Design and sell custom stickers, physical or digital. People love decorating laptops, water bottles, and journals. You can print them at home or use a third-party supplier. 7. 3D printed products. If you have access to a 3D printer, create custom items like keychains, game pieces, or tool parts. Niche, high-demand items can generate surprising income from small-scale production. 8. DIY kits. Put together kits for activities like candle making, painting, baking, or growing herbs. Package all the materials with instructions and sell them as fun at-home projects. 9. Customized gifts. Offer made-to-order gifts such as name plaques, engraved items, or personal photo books. All you need are basic tools, a few samples, and a way to take custom requests. 10. Baked goods or food products. Use your home kitchen to sell treats like cookies, brownies, jams, or sauces. Sell locally, at markets, or via a click-and-collect model. Just check local food licensing rules. 11. Pre-loved and upcycled items. Buy and restore furniture, vintage clothes, or electronics. Clean, repaint, repair, and resell for profit. Use online marketplaces like eBay, Vint, or Gumtree. 12. Stationery and paper goods. Sell notebooks, bookmarks, greeting cards, or journals. You can design and print at home, or use short-run printing companies. Ideal for creative people with a design flair. 13. Bath and body products. Make natural scrubs, lip balms, or bath bombs. Ingredients are cheap in bulk and there's a growing demand for handmade, organic self-care items. Package with care and quality. 14. Mini plant or garden kits. Sell succulents, bonsai starter kits, or herbs in cute pots. Low cost to start, easy to package, and popular with home decor lovers. 15. Niche product reselling. Source wholesale niche products like hobby supplies, pet toys, or tools, and resell them through a niche website or e-commerce platform. Start with small inventory and grow with demand. And there you have it, 15 low-cost, product-based small business ideas you can start today without going viral or spending big. All it takes is a smart idea, a little creativity, and consistency. Write down pointing backhand index, tell us in the comments which product idea you like best, and we'll make a full, detailed video showing how to launch it step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more deep divers content. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next venture.